Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Photo Safe Fire Alarm Smoke Detector. It's a smoke alarm which is battery operated. 10 years of product life, we have a fire alert with test button and a low battery signal. Photoelectric technology fire detectors for the bedroom and for our home or office, of course. We have here a fire alarm smoke detector. The smoke alarm adopts photoelectrical technology to detect smoke, more sensitive to light smoke and slow smoldering fires, and more quickly to remind us. It keeps our home safe 24/7. And we have a test button. The test button allows us to test the fire alarm once a month. Low battery signal makes us can know whether the alarm has sufficient power easily. And we have a sound and LED warning system here. When the fire alarm detects smoke or detects combustion particles in the air, it will sound their alert and the red LED will flash rapidly to remind us to check. And really easy too, installation. The smoke detector can easily install with the mounting bracket and the magnetic mounting bracket system. No hardwired anymore, and we can install it wherever we want. And of course we can use 2 screws to get this wall mounted, for example, or ceiling mounted. According to US data analytics, a family fire begins every 38 seconds. The faster you know about the fire, the sooner we can start moving our family. And the smoke alarm at work reduces the risk of home fire deaths by 50%. And that's here, Photo Safe team set out to design and create a reliable home safety products that make every home and business a safer place. They have professional R&D team dedicated to providing more professional, higher quality products for us. And it's easy because it's operated with a 9-volt block. It comes in a working temperature between 0 degrees Celsius up to minus 40 degrees Celsius, not minus, up to 40 degrees Celsius. The operation humidity is more than 93% possible. And we have an operation current of 15 UA standby and more than 25 milliampere in alarm status. The alarm volume is 85 decibel at 3 meters. The alarm sensitivity is 0.100 up to 0.160 decibel per minute. The sound pattern is BI 0.5 seconds, then pause, 0.5 seconds, pause, and. After 5 alerts, 1.5 seconds, pause. With the red LED flash, repeat this alarm pattern. And it is a smoke alarm system. The power source is one DC 9-volt battery. And the autonomy is 1 year. Carbon zinc battery, 5 years alkaline batteries. So if you install a 9-volt DC 9-volt battery, which comes with alkaline, it will needs only 2 of them for the decade where you can use that product. And if you use carbon zinc batteries, you have to replace 10 of them in the decade of use time. You can mount it on the wall or the ceiling as you like. The unit is a photoelectric smoke alarm. With the photoelectric technology, it is more sensitive to detect slow smolder fires, which is general thick and black smoke along with a little head and may smolder for hours before bursting into flames. The smoke alarm does not contain the radioactive material, which is harmless to the environment. And it's easy to connect the 9-volt battery to it, and after the installation is done, we can make a clockwise rotary to close the system. And then, of course, we can install it where we need it. In the living room, for example, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the office, and so on. If there is an alert detected and you have seen that no harm is there, you can go to silence mode. The silence mode is a capability of temporarily forbidding the alarm circuit to detect smoke for about 8 minutes. The feature is to be used to minimize nuisance alarms only when a known alarm condition, such as smoke from cooking activities, for example, the alarm. We press the test button on the top cover for at least 5 seconds, and job's done to activate the silence mode. Of course, if there is an alert, you have to look what's going on, and because of the 885 decibel, it can wake up you from sleep. This is the case to save lives because of a fire. Fire alarms, smoke detector by P2G Safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.